Trip ko to vlogs with the gorgeous, fantastic, and fabulous Miss Mike. Hello guys, good morning, welcome to my channel and welcome to Ubud. So this is officially my first day here in Ubud. I arrived yesterday afternoon but I did not vlog all about the traveling and all kasi stressful sa akin guys yung pag-travel, like yung mga dala-dalang mga bags and all, tapos nakakahilo sa biyahe. So I don't wanna vlog about it anymore. So sabi ko, pagdating na lang doon, I'll vlog about the place where I'm staying. So that's the reason for this vlog guys. I'll show you my super duper beautiful accommodation. So but first, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung area where I'm staying, the neighborhood, okay? So this is my neighborhood guys. Ito yung street where my accommodation is located. Now if you'll see, merong mga restaurants, tapos ang dami dito guys, mga handicraft stores, mga home decor stores, as you can see. Now ito yung street guys, very local, tapos sabi nila it's 15 minutes walk daw from here to the center. Kasi where I'm staying is not actually the center of the town, but it's 15 minutes away from the center, sabi nila, by walk. Now, I tried walking yesterday, pero kung nakikita nyo guys, may mga construction na nangyayari, tapos hindi siya safe maglakad kasi walang maayos na walkway, pedestrian walkway. So, kung diyan ka maglalakad sa sa kalsada, ang liit ng kalsada, malamang mabubunggo ka. So, hindi ko na tinuloy. So, there guys, this is the main entrance to my accommodation. So, makikita nyo, may signage doon. Ubud Tropical yung pangalan. Glamping and dormitory. Tapos, meron ding signage dito. And then, ayan, meron siyang temple dyan or pura. So, by the way guys, pura is the Indonesian word for temple. So, if you look here, this is actually still in construction. So I believe this will be turned into a cafe, probably still part of the property. Pero hindi pa siya tapos, pero under construction na siya. Now, dito tayo maglalakad guys papunta sa sa lobby ng accommodation ko. So going down this way from the cafe is a step down towards the lobby. So ayan guys, now that is the lobby of my accommodation with different tours here. Ayan. And then take a look at the statues or figurines there and the plants, beautiful plants. And this tree, I want to have that in my house in the province in the Philippines. So now take note of the mga sala and all. Tapos there, that's the name of the property, Ubud Tropical. Tapos there, this is the lounge area where you wait while checking in. Tapos from here, you see down below the property. So ayan, so baba na tayo guys and I'll show you what's down there. So nandito na tayo guys sa baba. So this is parang officially the chill out area or the living space. So you have the big sofa here and then you have the TV, Now take note of the decor. Ang gaganda ng mga decor dito guys, and the use of the furniture's handicraft. So in here is the dining area. Now take note again of the handicraft chairs. Now ito yung kitchen where you can cook. You have ref, you have unlimited water supply, hot and cold, and that's the kitchen. And then take note of the beautiful mirror over here, and there's a shower and a toilet there, and a sink. So ang ganda guys ng mga sink dito sa Bali, yung mga Balinese stones. So with a beautiful mirror there. So walking down from the living area is actually like a bar where they serve breakfast and coffee and then beer with beautiful vine, so with beautiful flowers. Ayan. So this is like this is the garden. There's a garden there and sitting area, and then this is like a typical Balinese door. So they usually have that in stone and wood, very rustic and very beautiful. Nakikita nyo yan guys. So those details, napapansin ko siya. Ang ganda-ganda. Super. The moss on the parang yung mga vases na yan really adds to the character of the place. So, and then we enter. Tapos, when you enter this door, ayan parang may, I don't know if it's Ganesha. Parang narinig ko lang. Parang ito atang ganitong parang parang elephants na something is Ganesha. I don't know if please correct me if I'm wrong. So from here guys, you will now proceed to the beautiful infinity pool. So there, that's the infinity pool. Now ito naman, these are the rooms. Ito yung mga rooms with bunk beds. I guess there are 3 rooms with bunk beds. Tapos ito yung parang garden, and then when you walk down here, that's the pool. So let's see. So yun, may mga day beds doon. Ayan, kulay blue. Tapos ito guys yung pool. So please take note na ayan, it's an infinity pool overlooking those plants and trees. Now down below that is actually a river. So please take note guys that all of the Balinese pools have different color. So it's like grayish blue or green. That is because of the stone that they use dyan sa ano nila, sa tilings nila. So that is actually a Balinese stone that you can only find here. So that's why dream ko guys, sabi ko pag nagpagawa ako ng pool, gusto ko Balinese stone talaga kasi I really want that color. Ayoko nung blue na color ng pool. So if you will walk down here, there is actually a second level to the pool. So hindi lang siya isang pool, kundi dalawa siyang pool because there's a second level. So punta na tayo dito guys sa second level, which is a surprise because it's really beautiful. So ayan na siya guys. This is the second level of the pool. So ewan ko lang kung pwede ko tong kimihin kasi from here buwis buhay naman to guys. You'll see, ayun meron siyang mga para mga state statue na merong lumalabas sa tubig sa bibig ng statue, which is really beautiful. So ayan guys, now balik na ako guys sa pagiging buwis buhay. Charet! So eto na siya. So down below is actually a river pero hindi ko makita. I've checked the river yesterday pero hindi ko makita kasi masyadong malalim at wala siya mga harang guys. So dito sa Bali, uso yung parang mga walang harang. Pahala ka, buwis buhay talaga. Kung mategi ka. Charet! So again, this is the beautiful pool. So proceed naman tayo guys sa room ko sa aking accommodation. Now, I'm not gonna speak there when I enter kasi syempre may mga tao sa loob. Patingnan nyo na lang kung anong eksena tapos review natin paglabas. So this is the door to my room and you can access it by using this card. So this is the common area for the bathroom. Now there are toilets, and then the shower here, and then a urinal for male, and then there's painting here, and then the sink and the mirror. Tapos dito guys sa baba are the individual tents. Parang kasi glamping siya, diba? So merong mga tents dito sa baba. Now these are individual rooms na. So private rooms, unlike where I'm staying na naka-bunk bed siya. Dito sa baba is actually, let us see kung anong meron dito. Ewan ko kung ano yan. Pero ito na guys yung mga private rooms. I'm gonna show you the private rooms. It's down below. So ayan ang itsura niya. Ito ang itsura ng mga private rooms. Yan yun, very Balinese ang style with lamps and everything Balinese. So there, like I've told you, wala dito guys mga harang-harang sa Bali. Majulog ka kung majujulog pa. Chanet! So ito diba? Ayan. So these are the tents kasi nga glamping ang aura. Ayan. So there you have it. So there you have it guys. My villa, my accommodation, my hostel here in Ubud. So very typical of the Balinese architecture, Balinese design, everything Balinese. So beautiful, even the garden. So I hope I did justice to how beautiful the place is. Now tune in, subscribe to more of Bali and more of Ubud because I will be staying here for a week. So I'm gonna show you everything a lot about Ubud. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day and God bless, Mama. Maraming salamat. Please follow and subscribe. God bless.